Good day everyone. My name is Michael Angelo Cana from BSTM NABM 1-2 of COLEGIO de CALUMPIT Incorporated. Well, today I will be discussing what is additional funds needed. So, now let's start. Well, additional funds needed is a term used to identify financing that is needed above and beyond the amount necessary to successfully manage the ongoing operation of a business. Typically, a business that is looking to expand its current operations, either by the establishment of more locations or outlets or the expansion of its product line, will use this financial concept to determine how much money is needed to achieve this task while still maintaining the integrity of the core operation. Also, a number of factors can go into determining the amount of additional funds needed, including the expansion of the sales force as a means of bringing in new customers to generate the extra income that can fund various growth strategies. It is also important to note that the factors influencing the additional funds needed will vary from one situation to another. For example, the company may or may not have to expand the sales force in order to successfully launch a new product, which can save a great deal in terms of hiring new salespeople. At the same time, increasing the budget for marketing and public relations may be important to the task. Identifying the type and the amount of increase in various liabilities associated with a specific expansion effort will increase the chances of avoiding the assumption of debt that would later cripple the company if the expansion did not perform as well as anticipated. Here at Bruin Company income statement for the year ended December 31, 2022. Sales 8,500,000, cost of sales 5,100,000, gross profit 3,400,000, operating expenses 2 million and that is 2,500,000, sorry for the missing zero. Income before taxes, 900,000. Income tax, 270,000. Net income, 630,000. Paano nga ba nakuha yung mga numbers na yan? O napunta yung mga numbers na yan? Well, the sales and cost of sales ay i-divide yung 8,500,000 and 5,100,000 and makukuha natin yung sagot sa gross profit na 3,400,000. Next one, yung 3,400,000 na gross profit and yung 2,500,000 na operating expenses ay ima-minus din natin, makukuha natin ang sagot sa income before taxes na 900,000. Next one, yung 900,000 na income before taxes and income tax na 270,000 ay ima-minus natin para makuha natin yung net income na 630,000. Next one on Brain Company Statement of Financial Position as of December 31, 2022. Current assets 5,100,000, non-current assets 4,500,000, total assets 9,600,000, current liabilities 2,125,000, non-current liabilities 2,875,000, ordinary shares 3,600,000, retained earnings 1 million. And next one, add additional funds needed, total liabilities and shareholders equity 9,600,000. Paano nga ba nakuha itong mga numbers kung paano sila napunta diyan sa chart? Okay, ganito lang ka-basic, kadali. Current assets, non-current assets ay ipa-plus natin. So 5,100,000 and 4,500,000, we get a total assets of 9,600,000. Next one, the current liabilities na 2,125,000, non-current liabilities na 2,875,000, ordinary shares 3,600,000, 600,000 and retained earnings na 1 million, makukuha natin yung sagot na total liabilities and shareholder equity na 9 million and 600,000 pag pinagsama-sama natin yung apat na ito. Well, next here, the additional information. Number 1, dividends paid out of 630,000 earnings in 2022 amount to 378,000. Number 2, only current assets and current liabilities are directly related to sales. Number 3, the business expects 15% increase in sales next year. Number 4, the business is expected to retain 40% of the earnings next year. What is the expected increase in sales? So we have here the sales na 8,500,000 times the expected increase in sales next year na 15%, and we got 1,275,000. The rate of spontaneous assets to sale. We have here the cost of sale 5,100,000 plus sales 8,500,000, or basically 0.6 times 100, and we get the 60% rate of spontaneous assets to sale. The expected increase in current assets. Current assets na 5,100,000 is multiplied to expected increase in sales next year na 15%, and we get the answer 765,000. The rate of spontaneous liabilities to sale. We have the current liabilities 2,125,000 added to sales 8,500,000, or we basically get the 0.25% of current liabilities times 100 which is fixed, and we get the 25%. Spontaneous increase in current liability. Current liabilities 2,125,000 is multiplied to expected increase in sales next year, which is 15%, and we get the answer 318,750. The projected sale is, we have 100% plus expected increase in sales next year na 15%, or simply 1.15 multiplied to current asset na 5,100,000, and we get 5,865,000. The projected cost of sale is, we have here the current assets 5,100,000 multiplied by expected increase in sales next year 1.15, and we got the answer 5,865,000. Projected gross profit is, we have here the gross profit na 3,400,000 multiplied to 1.15, and we got 3,910,000. Projected operating expenses. We have here operating expenses 2,500,000 multiplied to 1.15, and we get the answer 2,875,000. Projected net income after tax is, we have here the net income na 630,000 multiplied to 1.15, and we get the answer 724,500. The increase in retained earnings. We have the projected income after tax, which is 724,500 multiplied to expected retained earnings next year na 50, and we get the answer 289,800. Additional fund needed. Paano nga ba makuha yung additional fund needed dito sa income statement or sa financial position? Well, ima-minus lang natin. We have here the current assets na 765,000 minus sa spontaneous current in liabilities na 318,750. Tapos ima-minus pa rin natin sa increase in retained earnings na 289,800, at makukuha na natin yung sagot na 156,450. Ganon lamang ka-basic or kadali kunin ito. Total current assets in the projected financial statement. We have here the current assets na 5,100,000 at minultiply natin sa 1.15 and we get the answer, 5,865,000. Current liabilities in the projected financial statement. We have here the current liabilities na 2,125,000 at minultiplied ulit natin sa 1.15 at nakuha natin yung sagot na 2,443,750. Retained earning in the projected financial statement. We have here the retained earnings na 1 million at ipa-plus lang natin sa increase in retained earnings na 289,800 at nakuha na natin yung sagot na 1,289,800. Last, total assets in the projected financial statement. So we have here the current assets in projected financial statement which is 5,865,000 at pinlas lang natin ito sa non-current assets na 4,500,000 and we get the 10,365,000 na answer dito sa total assets in the projected financial statement na question. Lagi nating tatandaan na ang additional funds needed or AFN is a financial concept used when a business looks to expand its operations. Dahil nga, the business that seeks to increase its sales level will require more assets to meet their goal or that goal. Some provisions must be made to accommodate the change in assets. Thank you everyone. I hope you learned a lot in this video. Thank you.